The gola will knock you so say it big, it long, well. And you can't see a shift time. You shift your womb, go one corner. You know if you know say a shift time. Now the time when you and the guy don't break up. After una don't break up, finish.
Leave her, see who. See who.
Then, that time.
Leave her, there, see married woman.
Don't go meet another guy. You can't see when you want to settle down go for that guy. You can't see your womb shift. You go different places, go hospital, go.
The other one, if I show on TikTok, you make brown. You see the other one, you rugged.
That's the way knock you last.
When I see they judge my man,
shifter. I walk onto that pet. That means you need to go back to your ex guy so that it will come on knock you. Make it shift.
You know how many men knock for this video?
That one that they call I don't go back to my ex. I walk onto that kind of waka. What of if that your ex no come like you again? And because of make the thing shift, go the position, then your womb shift. That's why I knock you. My people, let me tell you something. No be that people. Some kind of people now when they see say they knock this.
When I see they judge my man around.
It's not good though. So your coat according to your size. You see those short bola, and then they walk past. They give you what you want.
Okay, they say my put my right ear I put say that yeah. Oh yeah, you are correct. Thank you. My right ear I put. Power tap your screen, but we are money gun me today now my anniversary. Woman is blessed me with money gun. We are Rosie man. Why they give me money gun? Why they give me money gun? Only not right and put to.
Right on.
Where? Not issue. Oh, thank you. Now they put some more. Now they put some more gift. Okay, I must make sure see the message. You see the messages. Mama solution.
Okay.
Mama Nora, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Grace, my daughter Grace more. You see this life, what you want to say, you know, need
very
to
useless girl. Hey.
My daughter Grace. So this girl come out, see the way they are. Who they I bet mute my talk every.
I bet what
Who goes about they analyze the back big bowler, short bowler, slim bowler, and white bowler. You can't open your hands down. They will not
go. Here you will get the Kokuba is here you will.
Why you not just
drive by fast?
They find customer, oh, and they find customer. Even people make they do a show with them, even wear skirts more, make cover part. You just face camera, you just open leg for ground. Wow. You judge or not your fellow woman, you open.
You will Janica wear the lap of my lap. They put come and say that to
body they get
this show. My off for 1 minute. I go quit my off for 1 minute. You're there.
She not open her now. She wear short knicker because she get body. One side of the lap show. You see, I say she wear her part no even show. Inside the knicker for where because they don't even show. You open your own down. Dirty brown pants. The pants self. He get this thing for me. If you look away, he get this thing for me though.
Dirty girl.
Talking about that for now. I don't know where this year man for even see person like you.
Oh, no, I'm wearing. You use a doctor to spoil the man.
That why yes was you. Eh? I can't go say no be my side for Mario. If I would you want me, but I see you look where we want. Oh, right. My baba.
What say, Mama? If I just come in mute. Well, no, your daughter. You know, say no, you go to no Shami. Eh? Jamie, when me are you there? When let her police? Remember we are doing this shy mayor. When me are there, police give me adulterous. When I get that, when you get more than 4 years. When I see idiot, oh. When I see idiot, when I see this idiot, we are getting on one more Doria. Eh? See what you person we go party. When I see what see my person we go party. My zombie, the zombie. When I see zombie.
Can't believe, baby like you come to my way, and me I go like, make me go find somewhere. When me and you go there, I go tell you say,
be like Usa goat. That's what you might be where go party. It's poor. Oh, you get Yanaria. It's poor this boy.
Come to my way, and me I go like, make we go find somewhere. When me and you go there, that day I go tell you say I want you, that day you go.
When I see as is poor this boy life, and this boy knows say many people they knock him. Oh my get pa. It be like Usa goat.
One bad person.
It be like goat.
I even do the kiss herself. What finish here?
What be this one?
So-called married woman.
What be this one?
You know, we said these people.
What be this one?
If not, we said these people so they be a year person.
And now,
we never hear voice note when this girl take confess say he sleep with another man.
He sleep with another man.
What one the last day?
I never see voice no when say they sleep with another man. No, me wanna go carry it analyze. That make it they knock another man. No hear. Let me see they knock another man. No hear. Nick pen where? No, yes, I hear. No hear. Me play again. When say go knock another man.
Thank God first. I tell you.
Una yera, see person. See you wanna see person. I see poor robot. Sometimes I see not trap up in this song. Una see her. See leg, no ya hair. See leg. You want belong. You want sexy. Make una take una share. Make una screenshot. Say I be la be here or la Rio. Make una take una screenshot. Okay.
On the flash this camera.
May
they see the gate.
Ashi wele.
Flash no flash remove one from.
Okay. Ashi wele. God don't they not believe that thing na real. Go on beach wey crazy. You join Asha.
What the other one?
For the day find Facebook.
Oh, not my road.
I like it.
But now they think say flip.
Come on.
Which date be this one?
See ya.
24th.
Mommy Grace.
2024.
See ya, Mumu Grace. See ya.
See ya.
So now be taking to go download down and Vicamo. My page arrest. See ya. See ya. See your name. Profile. See ya. Profile. So people comment.
Yeah, go show the other one just now. Not my name.
Okay.
Flip egg boy. Yeah, check it. Flip egg boy.
Mujaya oya egeri no.
Oh, not bad.
No, you would be sure about a video.
Girl, I can't believe.
Zombie.
It be like goat, so they want to do Sisa.
The zombie. Sisa BS. SBS Hawa.
Yari man, and they will go for
Sisa BS.
My junior sister, they Jenny with the family. My sister, they dress go party Grace. They really fit each other. Make una touch truth, waiting beautiful. Make una touch truth, waiting beautiful. Yeah, I thought it was your father. Beautiful camera, touch truth, and I know we touch truth. Make una hold each other well. Strong, I beg. Which kind of dress be this? Na comment section, no yours get joy.
Ayala. No, we can flip it when you have money WhatsApp.
Go man.
WhatsApp.
A man is sure one is there again.
Oh, na me na
Okay,
won't be grace here. When I see person they talk, say my wife will pull leg for ground.
I said 1 minute to say
come see the year when you do am.
No comments. I cannot bear man akwela wa.
Comment error. See a profile here o. Bitch not call the deny.
See a profile here.
On Facebook be this one. Men can say, "Mama I go look for AI."
See a profile yes.
See
a profile yes.
See a profile. See.
Let me tell you something.
So, see screenshot you.
you know fit. You don't get that to carry am. Look for short one. Short one where go dey knock you.
See lap.
See where you go
Where go make you.
See grace to two. One screenshot.
Go balance. If you go out for instance, go make you eat like.
Yeah.
It go let you.
Okay, you know say you don't open left for ground before. Why you call it find trouble?
Hey.
What you be work? What is the child?
No, he get shit for nyas. I bet that man he won't call it laugh me.
Come and you go sit the shower. Where you dey? Come out.
In case of tomorrow, you go say na AI. Muna no man now. Na AI.
Race, headline race.
Race. See.
Hello guys.
And they see him. Tomorrow. Tomorrow she come.
I can see the view.
I beg. My genders make I beg.
See, fake clothes on here.
Fake clothes on leg.
My genders make una dey wash una pants.
1 year ago, na see her.
1 year ago, no be we pursue one enter us.
Jimmy, I can call lose garden join. Yeah.
We know. My genders.
How will be your gender?
They try. They wash una.
See 1 year ago.
I make because. They una dey try to clean am up.
Rubbish no zwana ga. We no be we pursue one enter us.
Yeah, Kokumba ira mu.
Kokumba, go get condom for Kokumba. If you want to like a quantity, not go vera.
Azumu, say. Azua. You flip out to yourself, maybe they show them now. Now, if you show them now, you don't.
You can't be like a meat where they dry.
So now, you know if you talk say na here.
Which guy? What did they prefer?
You know now. No, they prefer now. Again, now you go delete her now. See you. You don't know, say we get squad. Let me remove this thing for her. Don't need to remove it. No. Mama, what?
Yeah.
The Mayawi.
Emmanuel.
Mayawi.
Yeah,
see, person with the open left for grand. Grace, who will
not just one video, not just two, not just three.
This is the sign of an adulterous woman. Because I say, all your costing day.
Your praise cannot drink ogogoro.
The person when they saw person.
Me and you, after we don't do finish, we don't knack, you don't make me come, you don't sweet me. Then after you don't throw me water, it's your knack away. You go come tell me, say waiting, say make me come spread beds when we don't scatter the beds for knacking.
What the boy he said
sweet and because it's sweet you. Now let me was supposed to spread the bed. Not be me and you scatter the bed where would they knack. If you not sweet me and you, the bed go scatter. The bed go scatter if you not sweet me and you.
I really sister Grace, why now? He reached to say how well.
I don't hear my boss as I go spread the bed.
I tell get mad, they talk to more.
I'll
come spread and you come here boss and say you they go.
Come analyze your own now.
If you help you get the boss.
Come on, analyze your own.
From today, her name is Disgrace.
And then I felt disgrace.
And then I felt disgrace right for 10. No, know her.
And then they come. Really, way be say. They know what's up. They know. You don't need to get bosses yourself. After I don't knack, rough bed, rough everywhere finish. You're supposed to wait. Hear your babe with the pants. Tell your babe go hear you with bosses. Because why? Una jolly. It's sweet to now. I be not sweet. After I don't do, I don't rough bed.
Perry, cause you the saga you. Perry, see you the saga you.
You know say better knacking. Now they make beds the rough.
Fine, be. As you they carry money rich, no good clothes, no good hair. Now they see, now they see good hair for your head.
Bed everywhere go rough. You never hear let me gist you. Now come up sometimes. Even though na the whole of na house rough, na better nappy. Na.
How far, adulterous woman? How far? How far? So if you dey talk about me now, people will not know you and comment say, Mumu, go see your shame and disgrace. Shebi my own, shebi una post my own screenshot abi. They fit post this one now. Evidence they strangle. They still see. Shebi una post my own zoom screenshot am.
Eh? Say that cassava big. Tigbola we knock so say it big, it long, well.
I go easy belle.
You shift your womb, go one corner. You know, if you know say shift am. Now the time when you and the guy don't break up. After una don't break up, finish. Then that time you don't go meet another guy. You can't see when you want to do that all for that guy. You can't see your
Lord, for this darkness.
You go different.
Because when I say your husband they lie, so the way they talk about that woman and donation, because me they hope say even by this time, because if they help people since then we pass that amount, wait till they look for phone. I see surprise say they never ever donate the money finish. Now
I don't know if they watch us that time when my husband because they buy for us say it falls poor.
No, I know what all those ones, but I think we'll watch recap later.
No, it's not like France, it's not last year when they buy. Now this year, when they buy for my husband.
I'm not watching. Just play, I'm not worried.
People know it's even funny me. You and Mama Nora. They come more fire for Sokati where you did talk.
Man, no brick book come
me, as I dare so.
Okay.
I still join. I'm not going to just talk today say people they because as you call the talker today where your husband they talk about you know. So from then now you can't talk say one woman will clap up say ma where he good. Yes, you praise your husband for public, that one is good. Say they give your picky money, make on give I can if not so made or shop her. Fair. As you jot all that is say for goods. Not be the one where you can't add join again because they talk say so women wait there with man for us. Because of that one that they share money every anything where come for children they'll share they share 50-50 for money. Mama Nora.
Okay.
So those people now where they share 50-50 with their husband for us, they give children gifts. They give people gift for outside. Or they do good. You see person like me, I they share anything when I they share with my husband. I'm very, very okay. You not drive me, man, not get with you, I won't get for life. You not drive my children who they want be. You not drive them, say make them not get money when they big or make we not get service for them. As I tell now, I can say Grace don't see 1 million euro. Say now true my children they give me. But I not can share reach my husband for inside. That means I be bad person because people there why they talking because I dare among you. They always repeat this thing every time. You they use and they I want to put the English. They disqualify people mad we're supposed to even wake up, say, okay, more do this support come off for grant. Or we even put up for mad before say they won't even give you. Because as I talk this thing now, you feel say I beg you, who won't give me, give, who not want give me, not give. Like that, how they live life like that. Now I make people they get wrong for this life. So
but bless you know understand the message.
Yes.
Person know that this audio. Person, my husband go party. Person can't give us say I too like your children or your wife really they try the way they dress there. I love those children.
Yeah.
I bet take this 50 euro me go give the children. You know, say not the but it's not some men they not go talk rich as PC because like, they still bought the PK.
They'll carry the money, yes.
They'll carry the money, they're not going to talk rich herself. So my husband Richard can't give me the picture to say Percy can't dash the children money. And the thing you all shocked me. Say, Richard, this is not the one my husband do that thing. If Percy give my children money for us, they go can't give me with be their mama. So since I not be this bad talk they talk about my husband. Now you're causing the praise waiting my husband would say if now some men they not go do even these children money say my husband not even know how much they pay. Some men go they share around 50. He say yes I was on live stream. Yes I was on the live stream. My husband some children even some men and women separate or then money matter and it cost quarrel for them. Some men go they share money they even they beat their wife John about my husband. If you buy for the rest of, but you see that money as for the money area, you know they follow me, they share children money, and they say, but I can't come out. They say, why you know they do it? But I want to talk about what they say. I they spend that for my children. It's the way the best things for them. I wish I they send the money go out, take the ticket for the cost correct for her for us. As a man, we get said the woman they spend that well. What thing they follow me, they drag money for. The thing see joy the big respect when I get for my husband till today. So,
okay.
Moderate to beg.
Now this
No,
is
they
where
follow
great
the.
talk. So now why should they saga you?
See why you go collect the money before. Well, we should be why you collect money before. They go like say not know the way some may be. No, I need some people to collect money. Say go give your pikin. Go use a bad drink for. They no go talk Richards. I want to know. They follow and go out.
Wait, so Mama Nora. So now we see Grace. Now what's the cause problem between you and Grace with this one?
Yes, now yes. This one cause quarrel. I cause it the saga when they do it go follow my husband. You can't come say if we not drop we not go follow us. If we not go participate on our live screen, guess you not like Let me tell my husband drop we not like Call the saga So the saga and they go follow my husband. I don't leave her like the saga here. When I make come put the matter for her with this recognize cause trouble, my sister.
Okay.
So you go the saga here. What do you? He talk to you. Why go the saga all the time? You wanted to call the saga here. As me, I call the saga now when my husband go run settle with here.
Because he no get sense. Now all your husband enemy now they go they meet.
And she never like him.
We don't first saga her before. Now they go for
they never like themselves.
They go later beat her for that.
Never like themselves. Then they tell me that say why me go they talk that for public say my husband no they share money with me. If they are among of people where they share money with their husband. Even though they talk
attack. She feel attacked. She feel yes, she feel attacked. Yeah.
Then I get to that, go share that with my husband because if not be him, I cannot get the children. They left for not come, and I suffer with me with the children. So anything will come. If to say I the identity or anything where it come for he add that for me. I for not there with her today. So na so life be.
I no make sure I know.
Maybe it go see get people where be say they're not even cherish their husband at all. So even give people for us like they had them. That's why you see they say that they don't they cost people for social media and say the woman don't get house, the man never gets. Why? Because now those children money that they gather till they do those things. And the man they never even get one roof. So those things so now I make a talk say sometimes if you they talk some kind things as your husband don't talk say make they donate for her for phone so you leave and make people do what it did their mind. Who gets it go bring, who not get it go rest. Cause that word where you can't talk, can't scatter and say, person give your picky gift to nobody I tell put on like people never gift your children and this woman I don't give her all this kind of a thing. I see they doing that your words may do and finish. Then maybe for your platform you feel just do or thereafter they don't through with you because you send a phone now in the fan. It is so we want to entertain people. Now you just put that man.
If you want cause correct for my household, go call my husband. Your wife, the way they talk and say people they share money for public, it's not good. As we see me so now my husband though, Now here I born for any money when you enter the house. Me and my husband they share 50-50.
But nobody call your name for the live video now. Nobody ask you.
So you call my husband though. Epa, me and my husband we they share money 50-50. Epa, any money we enter your wife and we're not supposed to they share because like you born these children.
He passed your back and now you be a friend though.
You know what say I did with my husband. We go appointment that day. And so they not pick this girl. Not pick a call again of devil. You want to come my husband? They say my husband they share money with me. Say you and your husband they share. I
swear audacity from Temu. Nice for audacity.
Really?
To call your husband.
Call your name. I know if you see direct talk. Say if na some meg. Now really. Many who break out today, either shitty or na money. Now two things they break for
for Europe, it come
character on. Shitty or money. Character shitty or money. Now they break home for Europe.
It come on.
So they fight for money. First they say my husband they tell the bad side. The good one go still talk on. Not be only the bad one they talk. See, no if follow me they drag money. They would they had they join my home. My husband will go supermarket, go buy things, go Africa shop, go come and say, honey, not let me forget anything. Your name waiting not there, so red or your day, this one day, go use the money to buy everything. Come. Never me the guy who pay. Money go don't feel go say you don't get money. The I say money why don't you go say my wife you they spend money. You don't use it as you don't see when they order you what they buy. Don't use and finish on the other give me money. At least it's good for those areas.
At all.
What make me I see day to day if we quarrel, the good one many pass the bad one. Come my husband not be Jesus Christ we go over good finish. But the good side, the many pass the bad side. I make me I see day. I go see look, I go see overlook, say I beg. See my reply to her.
Okay.
You share money with your
husband.
Okay, you remember share money with your husband. See, me I dey among because the day where they saga me. They use and play the record for public. That my friend will betray me. When they record me that record, he talking for inside and not the other. She now will be saying not they share money with those men we born for now. Where she got day today now. He not see my way put her for us. Nothing, no character. So if they think say maybe na grace matter, they want to talk for back. If who not the fear, you go cut talk for my front. Now who the fear person? They say na back of king, therefore they cause king. Person like me, you cut talk for my front. I'll tell her where to go pay now.
My reply, my post you, dog, my post you.
But the mother free said, Grace, I never play a voice record finish. Where I don't play and reach, it make no sense. It don't make sense at all. If I say some men that they follow their woman, they share 50-50 with money, not really day. It's there now. So if person can't tell me say people they bonbon because of benefit, now I can't they think and say I me the person they talk to or waiting. I never play a voice record, but when me don't play and reach, so it not make sense at all. It not make sense. More not they use what the person talk to the judge on herself. More not they use what the person talk about they conclude say maybe I mean this person they talk to or I mean this person they throw parable they give you. I can never think something like that in my life. Never. Because a lot of people, many will be say money matter they cost here and your husband. Many women because single mother to them because saying money matter they cost trouble for them. I know a lot of women will be saying and your husband not they getting now money cost trouble for them. One of my fans, when they use me, they do God mother free set. Now, never accept them. Yeah, the husband, they quarrel every day. Now, money, now he cost quarrel for them. And they would advise and say, no, come like this, do like this, one like this. Now, money that they quarrel for. You know how many hope where money they cost quarrel for? I don't understand, so both people say, clean conscience, no accusation. They never born any person for this life. You go, can't use it direct or no indirect, they talk. And can't they send me, they talk to. Why una conscience they judge you now? Why your conscience they judge you? I don't understand this West record. I don't want to play and finish, but where I don't play and reach, it make no sense at all. It don't make sense to me.
Okay, second one. Very useless girl.
I say I will talk something you got to conclude to yourself. Say now you are the talk to. Another person I foresee what tell them I know foresee what tell them. DJ Wisdom my and the wife they share money together. When you my husband they
play before. And also quarrel here and the wife they quarrel. But you know how many family here and their wife they share say the man why would they shit the woman. So you know how many of that thing they happen to. When me go your talk, you pick a friend say now you are the thought to say for that reason go stop. If you stop there, you go stop there. If you better person will go see send, when you go see better forgive my husband, you see they see full media. And this line now some more. Mommy 3D go they do video, they go say people when they marry with WhatsApp, they not go as go do marriage. They call family for WhatsApp call. They can say, oh na me mommy 3D they talk to. Who does that? When you not mention my name, say people they marry through WhatsApp call. Not they let your conscience they judge you again, Grace, which is very, very bad of you. Your conscience should they judge you for anything. People go talk, you say maybe now you the person they use it that they talk. Maybe now so you they do one. They use it that they talk to your friends. Now make you they feel say they use it that they talk to you. I don't like this kind of record though. The record you break my heart. I know they like her.
Very good.
Yeah,
I
know they like her.
Very good because
like
you don't call her name and not be only.
So somebody relate to me. Not even they talk about. Not mention my name.
Very good. You reply her very, very well.
They not mention my name.
Very good reply. You reply her well.
They not mention. So they be one call for me. Mommy 3D. Mommy 3D. They say WhatsApp marriage. And now your friend though. I say Jesus. Not let me one over go Nigeria go do marriage.
Go do marriage. What look call your name?
People we never go Nigeria go do marriage. Go man and if everything don't do okay. This person I don't do one. We must go do one again. We must by God grace go do one again. Go sit down. Go be like saying I need up money for my we must go do one again. I also do that one because I say when my friend, when mama die, you know expect her. Now I take we do marriage. I not agree before I say my papa na person call represent I not get papa again. Me go not let my mind name me fall for ground just now. Of course I want to do marriage. Person go represent my papa. Person go represent my mama. I not go forgive myself. Now it's okay. Make they do one. Make my mama sit down. Carry me they call me jomo. That mother cloth me wear. That mother cloth me wear. Now we do a big like say we go as. The person you can say WhatsApp na no I say na me they talk to pipi na na me they talk to na me they use it that they talk to na me people if beside use my sense and me go for that quarrel I'm telling that me you should use it that they talk to me how you could use a verse not they praise your husband again not good at least keep her private and so she don't get good spirit. She don't get good spirit. I rest my case now for my you know wish. I
don't leave her. Make
sure for the last time. Man, sure for the last time.
I bet this your baby move her or remove her because it makes noise.
Where is
my kid?
Where is your kid? It's finished. Yeah, I'll buy you one.
See Toto for grand, married woman. Married woman, see your Toto outside.
Say that cassava big.
Even her, that if I don't buy her, I tell her.
See married woman on social media. See married woman open leg.
I want to be friend there. If I send a 400, I take buy this. I go save money, we go reach and take buy 5 here. Money we go take buy 5 here. We just a jealous. She not
see leg when you open for.
So if I come buy her 400 or 500, I go call life for her saying I 150. I go buy her. I said the event or your dash me or the event on my friend me. I jealousness for calm down. If not to the pepper. You go your car 400 or go buy her cash money. We go take buy her 5 times. I say no. Even this 400. So I say I pay her 2 or 3 times. I not pay her cash. Cause me I not be. They use my auto. They pay people we want to see. Mother they buy. I know they buy their cash. And they talk about public, so I know they buy their cash. This I don't pay finish before you bring a call for me. If I feel pay 2-3 times. I'll sit down. So I would say, Mama, no, now you now bring that. I say no, keep on beg. I don't need trouble. I don't they hurry. I get a lot of hair. If I don't pay finish, you'll bring her for me. Now sometimes they buy all this luxury hair. I know they pay her cash. Cause you when they look me so you they see and say, if you let that hair, keep her for her, pay instrumental payment, 2 times, pay her, you'll get better hair. If you do it like that, you don't get better hair for one, not be cash. Come on, I feel like bake all that go see leg. I had day to cash. Bless you, dear. Thank you, mommy.
And you can't see she.
See your pie, see married woman, see her.
Yeah.
See married woman.
Leave her. You know, we say body up me quick closer.
Now don't break up, finish. Then that time, you don't go meet another guy. You can't see when you want to settle down more for that guy. You can't see your womb shift. You go different place, go hospital, go here.
I'm surprised say people will get this thing. They not bring up brass. I'm surprised though. It shocked me. Before they not go green.
Yes, see us married my open leg for social media.
Open leg for so long. We can't be able to flash show. Say mistake.
No, you open leg.
Shift. What if you can't knock you belle enter? That one they call
market killer for Facebook. Boys call the user they learn for his city and all. I say and your husband's fight rich. They say so if they call police go say what address? Rosa head. They say if they give her address, police know they come.
They don't understand mad people they go. They
don't know there. They don't know that they call police, say police, if they give police address, they know they go. Make they kill themselves there. They call wayward rich.
You don't deal with her today. You don't leave her make better.
No man, you not rich. No,
you don't really deal with her. Don't say the one thing like this. You don't deal. You beat her well today. You beat her well.
I leave you.
Thank you, Mama Laura.
Thank you. You say you want to enter life. Okay.
Happy anniversary to
don't
you.
use this topic. Don't you? They say they want to talk with what mothers they do too.
Yeah, I did house from my day house.
Yeah, people now say they want to talk with mothers they
which
do
time
also.
they want start or which time?
Say the one yeah.
One pasta.
What pasta?
Yeah.
My you are big.
Give her string gum. Give her string gum.
Okay. Come and say hi to them.
Hi, Nora.
That be Nora on our twins.
The two, all of them resemble. All of them resemble.
Now one my born
resemble.
Now one my born there for they not get different face. Now one my born there for. Now one my born there for.
Hi, wait out. Nadia be this. Which one? What's his name?
Nadia.
Okay, hi.
Birthday girl next tomorrow. Birthday girl
yes,
next tomorrow.
27. We are here for you. 27.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
To you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday
To you.
Coco Melly. No, I'll do birthday for them. Don't come and snap.
All of them resemble. They be like
now one my birthday. Baby, now one my birthday for no now.
Wow,
what is the father name? What is your papa name? Sadiaye. What is the papa name? Sadiaye. Now one my birthday. Now one person.
Oh, mother time. Oh, there's one like that. Come on, who they really box?
It's okay. It's okay.
And the thing is, so Mama don't push it up for their mouth.
That girl, 6 years tomorrow, next tomorrow.
Yes, 6 years.
6 years. Now that your hair is beautiful, if it's on snap picture, easy to type picture, it's okay.
You're doing baby hair. Do baby hair for her.
I know fit. I know fit.
You know that this one with gel. You all do the front with gel small.
This one now, use gel.
Yeah, you use gel around the front. Yes, fine. Never see.
Yeah.
Wow, so beautiful.
Sarah, thank you. Yeah.
Hello.
Okay, picture is coming. Okay, picture is coming. Come back on my back. It's okay, oh. It's okay, it's okay. Go and make fish. Okay, say bye-bye.
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 Nadia, come.
Nadia, come and say bye-bye.
Come on, tell Mama. How old are you, Nadia? How old are you? Don't know your age. How old are you?
My is Arrow.
Arrow. I know you are Arrow.